What if a robot could walk, talk, and work alongside you? Welcome to the future of robotics, where machines aren't just tools, they're becoming our partners. In today's video, we will delve into the amazing world of humanoid robots, cobots, drones, and more. Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible potential of these technologies. First up, humanoid robots. These incredible machines are designed to resemble and mimic human behavior. From assisting in healthcare to performing in entertainment, humanoid robots are taking on roles we never imagined. But, how close are we to having them as daily companions? Did you know that the first humanoid robot was developed in 1970? But it's only in recent years that technology has advanced enough to create robots like Sophia, who can hold conversations and express emotions. Imagine a world where robots play significant roles in our lives. This is just the beginning. Now let's talk about cobots, or collaborative robots. Unlike traditional robots, cobots are designed to work alongside humans in a shared workspace. They enhance productivity while prioritizing safety, making them ideal for industries like manufacturing and healthcare. What would happen if I told you that cobots can reduce production costs by up to 30%? That's right. These intelligent machines are revolutionizing industries by taking on repetitive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative problems. Next, we have drones. Beyond aerial photography, drones are transforming delivery services, agricultural monitoring, and even search and rescue operations. With advancements in autonomous technology, drones are becoming smarter and more efficient. Let's take a moment. Have you ever thought about how drones could change emergency services? Imagine drones delivering medical supplies to disaster zones. This is a reality that is already unfolding. Like and subscribe if you want to see more on future tech. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is another game changer. It streamlines repetitive tasks in business operations, freeing up employees to focus on strategic work. From data entry to customer service, RPA is reshaping how companies function. Do you realize that RPA can increase efficiency by up to 70%? Imagine how much time we can save if mundane tasks are handled by robots. This technology is not just a trend, it's a necessity for modern businesses looking to thrive. As we look to the future, robotics will become even more integrated into our daily lives. AI advancements will lead to more autonomous systems, allowing for smarter interactions between humans and robots. What trends should we expect next? In conclusion, the realm of robotics is vast and full of potential. From humanoids to cobots and drones, each technology offers unique benefits that could change the fabric of our daily lives. What part of the robotics revolution excites you the most? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. In our next video, we will dive deeper into AI and its role in robotics. Hit the like button if you found this video informative, and let us know in the comments what robotics topics you'd like us to cover next.